Hello, today I'll be making butter squash soup, and this is the ingredients: the butter squash that it was fresh and I cut into pieces, the cubes. We need some carrot, onion. I'm using guanciale, which is pig's fat, and garlic. And these are all the spices. So first I'm adding the guanciale. So this is going to be our main fat. So once the pig's fat is done, we remove this out of the pan and use it for garnish later, and start cooking our veggies with guanciale fat. So now I'm adding the onions. So we're going to saute the onions. So now I'm adding the carrots and the squash. So now that the squash and the carrots are a bit softened, I'm going to add the garlic, chopped garlic, bay leaf, our spices, a little bit of cumin, and I'm going to add red pepper, just a little bit for a spice, and then we're going to saute them for a little bit longer. So after this is sauteed for a few minutes, I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. You can add the red wine vinegar if you have. So now I'm going to add the water, like 7 cups of water or so, and let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. So now the soup is cooked. I'm going to remove the bay leaves. Oopsie. The bay leaves out because you don't want to. So now I'm going to add a little bit of cream to this. The stove is already off, and I'm going to add salt, a little bit of salt, and pepper, and I'm going to blend it with the blender. Once this is a little bit cooled down. So now the soup is ready to go in the blender. It looks delicious and it smells amazing. So cutting the bread and then marinating them to eat with the squash soup. And now I'm just adding the guanciale, the taste, and it's really tasty with the soup that we just made. I hope you guys try it. Bon appétit!